Students, we have studied about the various types of mixture. One of them is the mixture that is called solution, which is a homogeneous mixture. Now we want to study about the concentration of solution. So let us look at the definition of a concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in the given mass or given volume of a solution at given temperature and pressure is called concentration of a solution, or the amount of solute present in a given mass or given volume of solvent at given temperature and pressure is called the concentration of solution. So concentration of solution is the amount of solute either in the solvent or the amount of solute either in the solution present at given temperature and pressure. Now we should understand one activity. Take three beakers A, B and C. Add 50 ml of water to each beaker. Add few crystals of copper sulfate to beaker A. Add a spatula full of copper sulfate crystals to beaker B. In beaker C, keep on adding copper sulfate crystals until copper sulfate stop dissolving in 50 ml of water, or add copper sulfate crystals to beaker C until no more solute, that means no more copper sulfate, can be dissolved in 50 ml of water present in beaker C. Solution present in beakers can be classified in different types. Solution, there are two types of solution. One is known as the saturated solution and another is known as the unsaturated solution. Saturated solution is present in beaker C, whereas unsaturated solution is present in beaker A as well as in beaker B. The type of solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a solution at given temperature and pressure, this is what it is known as the saturated solution. And in beaker A and beaker B, the type of solution in which yet more solute can be dissolved, such a solution is known as the unsaturated solution. So this is how we can understand the types of solution or concentration of solution. There are two comparative terms for concentration. So solution, when we compare the quantity of solute in the solution, so when we compare the quantity of solute present in beaker A and beaker B, we can have two type of solution. One is dilute solution. This dilute solution is present in beaker A. In dilute solution present in beaker A has comparatively less amount of solute present in the solution because we have added some few crystals which are less than the one full spatula of the crystals of copper sulfate in beaker A, whereas the another type of solution is known as the concentrated solution, which is present in beaker B. In beaker B, we have added 50 ml of water and one full spatula of copper sulfate crystals. So compared to beaker B solution present in beaker B is called concentrated solution, and comparatively more amount of solute is present in the solution that is present in beaker B. This is how we can understand the various types of solution. Now we should study the definition of those various types of solution that we have seen. So first we'll study about the saturated solution. The type of solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in solution at given temperature and pressure is known as the saturated solution. Solution present in beaker C is actually the saturated solution. Unsaturated solution, the type of solution in which yet more solute can be dissolved in the solution at given temperature and pressure, they are known as the unsaturated solution. The solution present in beaker A and beaker B are the unsaturated solution. Now we'll study the definition of those comparative terms. So first we'll study about the dilute solution. The type of solution in which less quantity or amount of solute present when we compare the given solution with the other solution. Such solution is comparatively dilute solution as compared to the other solution. So it is very important to mention here that dilute solution is a comparative term, and we can say with compared to the other solution, this solution is dilute solution. So when we compare beaker A and beaker B, the solution present in beaker A is a dilute solution. So comparatively, we can say that solution in beaker A is a dilute solution. Now we are going to study about the concentrated solution. When we compare two solutions, the type of solution in which more quantity of solute is present, such solution is comparatively called the concentrated solution. When we compare the solution present in beaker A and beaker B, solution in beaker B as compared to solution in beaker A. So solution in beaker B is a saturated solution as compared to solution in beaker A present. So solution in beaker B, solution in beaker B is comparatively the concentrated solution as compared to this solution present in beaker A. Here if we compare beaker B and beaker C solution, now we are going to compare beaker B and beaker C. Solution in beaker B is dilute solution as compared to solution that present in beaker C, because in beaker C we have saturated solution and the amount of copper sulfate that we have added to 50 ml of water in beaker C is quite more than beaker B. So beaker B can be a dilute solution when we compare it with beaker C, but beaker B can be concentrated solution when we compare beaker B with beaker A. This is how we can say this dilute solution and um, um, concentrated solution are the comparative terms. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.